Right, so this isn't quite part 5 of the Mk1 Golf. That's coming soon. I've not filmed a lot on it. It's been too cold over Christmas, winter. It's freezing, so it's only starting to heat up now. But my dad's been working on wee bits, so I've not filmed it all. But next one will be the finish of the Mk1 Golf. This is my friend Barry, who races MGB up at Knockhill in the SMRC. So I just thought I'd do a wee video up at Knockhill today. It's pretty good. And this is it. So this is an MGB, and it's got a Rover V8 engine in it. The sound, it's incredible. The sound on this wee GoPro just doesn't do it justice. The rumble of this engine when it starts is incredible. But yeah, I'll try and cut a couple of wee shots here in racing. It started raining unfortunately, but it was pretty cool. Yeah, so this is just a wee infill video before the new Mk1 video. Very dignified going out, right enough. It does sound pretty good, but see when you're sitting in it, so that was it. A wee fill-in video of Knockhill, a local racing circuit, kind of in Dunfermline. In fact, touring cars will be there in August. I want to see that as well. Anyway, so next video will hopefully be the end of the Mark 1. Yeah, so catch you in the next one.